Hi, I am Mahi, and today I am going to help my mother by making an egg fry. You will get so many new words. Just listen and practice with me. So, without wasting time, let's get started. First, I walk into the kitchen and wash my hands properly. Then I take out two eggs from the refrigerator. I hold the eggs gently so they don't crack. Now I'm ready to start cooking. I place a frying pan on the stove and turn on the heat to medium. I add a spoonful of oil to the pan and wait for it to heat up. I can hear the oil starting to sizzle. Next, I pick up the first egg and tap it carefully on the edge of a bowl. The shell cracks open and I pour the egg into the bowl. I repeat the same process with the second egg. Now I add a pinch of salt and pepper to the eggs in the bowl. I take a fork and whisk the eggs gently. The eggs mix into a smooth yellow blend. Once the oil is hot, I pour the egg mixture into the pan. I hear it sizzle loudly as it starts to cook. With a spatula, I spread the eggs evenly so they cook properly. As the egg fry begins to set, I carefully lift the eggs with the spatula. I flip it over gently to cook the other side. Now both sides are golden and cooked well. Finally, I turn off the stove and slide the egg fry onto a plate. I sprinkle a bit of chopped coriander on top for some extra flavor and color. My egg fry is ready. I'm so proud to help my mother and learn this new recipe. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me and learned some new words along the way.